Hello guys, welcome to the CSS crash course. In this video, we'll look at how to use the CSS universal selector to select HTML elements. My name is Kafui and welcome to my channel multi.dev. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. With that said, let's get started. The CSS universal selector is a special instance of the type selector used to match every element in an HTML document. So in my text editor here, I have my index.html file and then my style.css file, which I have linked in my HTML file using the link tag. So I'll go ahead and then define some paragraph elements quickly. So I'm just using lorem here to generate random words. And then I'll add some buttons quickly. So this will just say sign up. And then another button, then we have log in, so that we have some HTML elements to work with. So in my CSS file, in order to select all these HTML elements using the CSS universal selector, we start with the asterisk sign and then in curly brackets we put in our CSS style. So I can change the color to, let me just select some random color here, and then increase the font size of all the elements to, let's say, 50 pixels. And when I do that and save, you see that these styles have been applied to all the HTML elements in my web page here. So this is how we can use the CSS universal selector to select all HTML elements and then apply some styles to it. So in most cases, when you are building your website, in order, we call something CSS reset. That is, you write some default styles that should be applied. So I'll just go comment that out. So we can change the margin property on the HTML document or the entire document to 0, and then the padding, using the padding property to 0, and by that these extra spaces around the HTML document is being removed. So we'll look much more into this CSS property in subsequent videos. So this is how we can use the CSS universal selector to select all instances of our HTML document or all HTML elements and then apply some styles to them. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section for discussion. Please subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I release a content on the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.